Hello, gardening enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of easy-to-grow spring vegetables. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this guide will help you cultivate a bountiful harvest. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more gardening tips. Let's get started. First up, we have spinach. Start by choosing a sunny spot in your garden. Sow the seeds directly outdoors in well-draining soil and water regularly. Remember, spinach prefers cooler temperatures, so it's an excellent early spring crop. Aim to plant the seeds a few weeks before the last expected frost. Next on our list is lettuce. Lettuce is a staple in any spring garden. Plant seeds outdoors in loose, well-draining soil and ensure consistent watering. You can also start lettuce indoors 4 to 6 weeks before the last frost date and transplant seedlings for an earlier harvest. Perfect for containers on balconies or patios. Radishes are another speedy choice. Plant the seeds directly in the soil outdoors. Keep them watered, and you'll be enjoying crisp radishes in just a few weeks. Great for adding a peppery kick to your dishes. Plant radishes as soon as the soil can be worked in early spring. Radishes are suitable for containers too. Moving on to peas. Peas love the cool spring weather. Provide support for climbing varieties. Plant seeds directly outdoors in rich soil and water regularly. You can sow them early, even before the last frost date, for a longer harvest. Aim to plant peas about a month before the last expected frost. If growing in containers, consider containers with trellises. Carrots are a classic choice. Sow carrot seeds directly outdoors in loose soil. Keep them moist and thin the seedlings as they grow. Plant carrot seeds about 2 to 4 weeks before the last expected frost date. Excellent for container gardening. Choose deep containers to accommodate their long roots. Green onions are low maintenance. Plant the bulbs directly outdoors in well-draining soil, and they'll keep coming back. Just snip the green tops as needed for a mild onion flavor in your dishes. Ideal for container gardening if you have limited space. Plant green onion bulbs early in spring. Kale is a nutritional powerhouse. Start kale seeds indoors or directly outdoors in nutrient-rich soil. Water regularly and enjoy a continuous harvest. Harvest the older outer leaves, leaving the younger ones to keep growing. Plant kale indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last expected frost or directly outdoors in early spring. Kale can also be easily grown in containers on balconies or patios. Swiss chard is both beautiful and tasty. Sow chard seeds directly outdoors in well-draining soil, water consistently, and harvest the outer leaves for a colorful addition to your meals. It can be started indoors for an earlier harvest. Plant Swiss chard seeds about 2 to 4 weeks before the last expected frost. Arugula adds a peppery flavor to salads. Sow arugula seeds directly outdoors in well-draining soil, and you'll have fresh leaves in no time. Harvest young leaves for the best flavor. Plant arugula seeds early in spring and enjoy throughout the season. It is also well-suited for container gardening. Last but not least, cilantro. Start cilantro seeds directly outdoors in well-draining soil. Keep it watered, and you'll have a steady supply of this aromatic herb. You can also sow successive plantings throughout the season. Plant cilantro seeds as soon as the soil can be worked in early spring. Cilantro also grows well in containers on windowsills or balconies. There you have it, our guide to easy-to-grow spring vegetables. Whether you have limited space or a vast garden, these tips will help you cultivate a bountiful harvest. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening and see you next time!